If you're a truck driver, camper, or anyone who's ever wished they had a private place to shower, I want to show you something. This is RoadWash, a portable shower system designed to let you shower almost anywhere using a compatible storage tote or utility bin. Right now, we're opening early reservations with a fully refundable $10 deposit. Your entire $10 is applied toward your purchase when production begins, and early reservations receive priority access to the first production run. By reserving today, you're helping us validate demand and bring RoadWash to market faster, while securing your place in line. If you've ever been tired of crowded truck stop showers, waiting in line, or just wanted the convenience of showering on your own schedule, RoadWash was built with you in mind. Visit GetRoadwash.com to learn more and reserve your spot today. RoadWash. Shower anywhere.